Hi, welcome back in this section. And I'm sure that you have gone through this previous introduction section and its videos, and then you have watched the follow-up section in the previous slide just above you. So now in this section, this is all about learning coin magic. So if you have still not purchased the product, I request you to go to the below link. I will just show you the link. So this is the below link. So you can just click on this link and you can purchase, go and purchase the product. So what will happen if you go to this link? It will open a page. If you have not done that, so this will come up. I will just show you. It is taking a little bit time. So it has all the explanation of the trick, by the way. So you can click on this button and you can buy this course, right? Okay, I am not really sure about the pricing, what you are getting at this moment, just because when the video is done, we were actually starting a very inaugural price. So this price might change whenever you're watching. Okay, so let's welcome back in this what I was showing you. Yeah, you can click on the link. By the way, let's come back to this coin magic. So what I'm teaching you is what I've taught you basically is like there's a four kinds of magic which is here. So there are like two major things in the miraculous worlds of coin magic. Now one is called as a vanish. Now you want to do how you vanish a coin, and the second how you make it reappear. Okay, so finger palm vanish is a beautiful technique, and as you've seen in the secret video, and you must have enjoyed, and it creates a really wonderful miracle in front of public eye. And so you must practice it while you are writing something. When you're lesser risky things, when you're doing, maybe you're taking a bath or something, you can still practice it, but do practice in front of mirror, practice in front of computer, mobile. So because after COVID-19, there are a lot of opportunities which has come in the world of online magic and illusion, and okay, so practice this finger palm with it is the base of many beautiful magic tricks. Now the second is the classic palm. Now classic palm is I've introduced the classic palm in this video only because classic palm is not an easy magic trick, but I really wanted you to build this foundation. But if you learn classic palm, you will be in a road to mastery of magic, right? This is really something that if you start practicing, you will become a master magician, because whatever you're learning in this course, if you these things are itself a magic on their own. It is not that how many magic tricks you require. If you can perform one trick very, very well, it is amazing. And so classic palm, start learning classic palm using various coins, as I've mentioned in the video also, that using a small 1 paisa coin, using 2 paisa coin, using 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and when I'm saying paisa, so there were in previous time there used to be paisas. Okay, so if you're in India, you can have 1 rupee small 1 rupee coin which has come. Then you can use a heavier 5 rupee coin. You can use a 10 rupee coin. Okay, so what you can do, if you're watching this this video maybe from America or some other country, use those currencies, and don't expect to work using what is comfortable. Start working with many as many possibilities as possible. You know what will happen, because a true magician is one who goes in front of public and say, hey, can I have a coin please? And you never know what coin comes from the person's pocket, or what currency comes up from. Okay, so it is very important to practice using very things, and only once you become a master in everything, you will become more confident. Okay, after classic palm, we will come to the French drop. Now French drop and French drop are two amazing tricks. Now if you learn French drop and French drop, you will be able to not only use this for vanishing coins, but you will be able to adapt the very same thing in any other smaller object. Maybe it's a ball, eraser, anything you can do. You can just take something and really make it disappear very quickly in front of you, and it works like amazing. And pinch drop, it's more kind of a creative approach of the same things, though they are almost similar, and all of them use. So you have to first learn finger palm and then learn French drop, because there is a pattern in this, because you should first learn French drop, and then you should not French drop, the finger palm, and then you should learn the French drop. This is how the sequencing will take place. Practice well, all of them. I really request you to practice well, and every day become more and more confident, and enjoy, have fun, and create wow effect among audiences, and create your expertise in the field of magic. I see you in card magic. See you then.